Hey folks, it's Mr. Carter here, ready to do Homelink 1.6. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet already, and let's begin. Alright, so we have a couple number stories here that we're going to work on, and we are first going to estimate, and then we're going to solve each number story. Alright, so number one, the zoo needs to move 4 animals in a truck that can carry only 700 pounds. Now, a leopard can weigh up to 176 pounds. A warthog can weigh up to 250 pounds, and a chimpanzee can weigh as much as 130 pounds. Now, what is the maximum weight that the 4th animal can be? Okay, so I'm going to do this on another piece of paper here, and we're going to start with our estimate. So we know that the truck can carry 700 pounds, so we're going to start with that, and we're going to subtract the weight of each of the first 3 animals, and then we'll figure out what's left. So again, we're starting with 700 pounds. Let's take away, I'm going to round that up to 180 because it's a close to number for that leopard, and go ahead and subtract that. So 0 take away 0 is 0. We do need to trade here. That makes it 6. This will make it 10 tens. 10 take away 8 is 2. 6 take away 1 is 5. So that leaves us with 520 pounds left to go. Now that was our leopard. Now let's subtract what our warthog can weigh, and our warthog can weigh 250 pounds. So that's an easy number to work with, so I'm not going to change that one at all for our estimate. So that's 250, 0 take away 0. And again, it's our warthog. Okay, 0 take away 0 is 0. 2 take away 5, we can't do that, we need to trade. So we're going to go take 1 away from the hundreds, make that 4. Add 10 tens to the 2 tens we already have. That makes it 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 4 take away 2 is 2. So that now leaves us with 270 pounds left to go. And we need to now take away the weight of a chimpanzee. So a chimpanzee is 130. Again, an easy to subtract number. So we're going to go 130. Again, that's for our chimp. And go ahead and subtract. 0 take away 0 is 0. 7 take away 3 is 4. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So our estimate will be about 140 pounds left for that 4th animal. Okay, so now we need to figure out our exact answer. And we're going to do a number model with our answer here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and start with our 700. Take away 176 for our leopard, take away 250, take away 130, and that will equal what our answer is. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that on this side here. So again, we're starting with 700 pounds that the truck can carry, taking away 175 for our leopard. Okay, and so 0 take away 5, we can't do that. We've got to trade, we can't trade here, so we've got to go all the way to the hundreds place to trade. So we've got 6, this becomes 10, but we've got to trade 1 from the 10 to make it 9, and this becomes 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 7 is 2, 6 take away 5, and 1 is 5. Okay, so now we have to take away 250 for our warthog. 5 take away 0 is 5. 2 take away 5, we cannot do that. We're going to trade. That's 4. That'll make it 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 4 take away 2 is 2. And last but not least, our chimpanzee is 130. So 5 take away 0 is 5. 7 take away 3 is 4. 2 take away 1 is 1. So 145 is our actual answer. Now, does our answer make sense? And the answer is yes, it does, because our estimate was 140 pounds, which is close to our real answer. So our estimate was 140 pounds, which is close to the actual answer. 145 pounds. Okay, let's look at number 2. So number 2 is saying here the combined weight of a mountain lion, an orangutan, and a wolf can be as much as 481 pounds. I'm sorry, 491 pounds. So if the wolf weighs 175 pounds and the orangutan weighs 180 pounds, how much do 2 mountain lions weigh? So this is important here, 2, because we're going to need to know that later on. Okay, so again, just like number 1, we're going to start with the combined, and we're going to do the combined weight, which is 491 pounds. So we're going to estimate that, or round it up to 500, just for our estimate. We're going to take away, I'm going to round down here for the wolf and go 150 pounds. And then what we'll do is we're going to subtract what the orangutan weighs, and then we'll take it from there. So 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 5 is, no, we can't do that, we've got to trade. So we'll trade one of the hundreds for 4, and then that's going to be 10 tens. 10 tens take away 5 tens is 5 tens. 4 take away 1 is 3. So now we're left with 350 pounds. So now we've got to take away what the orangutan weighs, which is 180 pounds. So I'm going to round that up to 200 pounds. This is our orangutan. Okay, 0 take away 0 is 0. 5 take away 0 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. So now we're left with 150 pounds. Now that's, if we look back here, that's the weight of 1 mountain lion, an orangutan, and a wolf. So this is what only 1 mountain lion weighs. Now, they're asking, how much do 2 mountain lions weigh? So what we're going to have to do is take 1 mountain lion, 150 pounds, add it to another mountain lion for another 150 pounds to give us 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. So that's 300 pounds for 2 mountain lions. Okay, so that's why it's important to really read your problem. So the estimate is about 300 pounds. So let's do the exact answer. So again, we're going to start with 500 pounds. And we're going to take away the wolf, which is 175. And we're going to take away the orangutan, which is 180. So then we're going to take that answer. So let's use L for lion. We're going to take that lion and we're going to add it to another lion to get our answer. Okay, so again, 500 to start with. I'm going to take away 175 for that wolf. 0 take away 5, can't do that. We've got to trade, we can't trade here, we've got to go all the way to our hundreds to trade. That's 4, this becomes 10 tens. We've got to take one of those tens, make it 9 to trade over here to make that 10. 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 7 is 2, 4 take away 1 is 3. Now, we've got to take away the orangutan, which is 180. This is our orangutan. 5 take away 0 is 5. We can't trade, take away 8 from 2, so we've got to trade, so that makes it 2. So 10 tens plus the 2 tens we already had makes it 12 tens. 12 take away 8 is 4. 2 take away 1 is 1. So again, now that's 1 mountain lion. So again, that's our 1 mountain lion. It's 145. But now we've got to take and find out what 2 is. So 145 plus 145. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 2 is 290. So that would be about what 2 mountain lions weigh. Okay, so that's the answer here, 290. Again, does our answer make sense? And it's yes, because again, our estimate was 300. Was 300, which is close to 290. Okay. All right, the practice is some addition. I'm going to have you go ahead and work on those on your own, see how you do with that. And if you have any questions, please come see me. Take care.